Hello everybody, welcome back to Music and Munchies. Can you see my sign back there? My hella vegan sign that my best friend got me? Am I hitting it? I don't know, I don't have a viewfinder on this phone. Anyway, so today we are going to go to downtown Detroit and check out Detroit's very first all-vegan Coney Island. So if you don't know what a Coney Island is, it's something that's like really big, and I think it's just Michigan or maybe the Midwest. It's basically like a diner, and they serve hot dogs, like Coney dogs, and it's basically a hot dog with this like ground beef sauce on top. And wars have been fought on whether the Flint style Coney is better or the Detroit style Coney is better. Spoiler alert, they both suck. The vegan version's better. So yeah, we're gonna go explore downtown Detroit because my niece Emily is here and she is a vegetarian. She's coming up on her 3-year anniversary of being vegetarian, and she's never been to Detroit. So like a good auntie, I'm gonna show her around beautiful Detroit and take her to this vegan Coney Island, see how she likes it. So we are just getting around, drinking our green smoothie, get those greens in, and we're gonna go explore Detroit. So come along with us. Come on, let's go, let's go. Come on, get ready. Put your pants on, as I know you're not wearing pants. Okay, let's go. Are you excited, Em? Normally she is like resigned to grilled cheese sandwiches, and now she gets to eat like everything on the menu. She's so excited. These are the Coney, got the Coney dogs. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so pretty. Everything's so like brightly colored too. And then I got the CMO King, so it's like a Whopper. It's supposed to be like Burger King Whopper, but with the Beyond Patty. Everything's vegan, of course. Mayo. Holy crap, this is incredible. I know, I haven't had a Coney dog in like 15 years. Is that good? I can't wait to try everyone's. That is so satisfying. I'm gonna try these cheese fries. Yum! This is so insanely good. I'm gonna have to take a nap after this.
Fingers.
Look at this thing of me. Look at that bite. I got like everything on it. Are you sure? Oh my god. I'm trying to get him to slow down. He eats so fast. He eats so fast. Look at him.
The cheese kind of tastes like your mac and cheese.
Hallelujah! We have been blessed by chili mustard onions. What we call a good game. Well, a good game. Well played, everyone. Well played. Nice job. You were going strong in the first inning, then you kind of wild out around the third, fourth inning.
Finished out though.
Finished out strong though. Alright, of course we can't go home without a big ass cookie. And look how big it is. Let's compare it to Benny's big old head.
Let's roll, huh?
Alright, let's go. Let's go for a walk. We're gonna go walk around Midtown.
Go for a cookie walk.
Cookie walk. I'm gonna do a little interview with my niece.
What's your grandmother's birthplace?
This is Emily. She is 13 years old, and this is her 3rd anniversary. 3rd year.
August.
This August. What made you want to go vegetarian, Em?
So I had just spent the weekend or something with you guys, and you guys told me about the meat industry and how it works, and I was shocked. I didn't know. I was like, what, 10 at the time?
Yeah.
Wow, 10. And so I was thinking about it, and on the way back home, we stopped at a Wendy's, and I got a chili, which had meat in it, and I was like, you know what, I don't want to do this anymore, so I just ate the vegetables out, and then I got home and told my mom that I'm going vegetarian, and they were supportive.
I'm so proud of you, because like, what 10-year-old, you know,
could make a brave decision.
Yeah, especially because she's the only vegetarian in her family.
Big meat eaters, my family.
Yeah, her family eats a lot of meat, but they're supportive, which is cool. They might tease her every once in a while, but whoa! But they're supportive for the most
Don't
part.
mess with those things.
Do you have any tips for like fellow like teenagers or kids that go vegetarian?
I do.
Oh.
Just stay strong, and if people keep pushing you down, just be like, whatever. because it's what you believe and it's not right what they do to those animals.
Aw, yeah. And you're making a big difference by what you eat 3 times a day. Our next thing is to teach her how to cook.
Woo!
Yeah. Oh, Comerica! Benny's never been to a baseball game, so
I think I should have just parked right there.
we need to take Benny to see a baseball game. Okay, just to show you how Detroit likes Coney Islands, here's one. Here's another one. It's a different one. And then there's another one right next door. I don't know what they're missing out on. Should I tell them? Should I tell them to go to chili mustard onions instead? Save animals? Sure, they'd appreciate that. We actually played a gig there a couple of years ago. Boudoir Noir. It was actually our first Boudoir Noir gig. Remember that? We got back from Europe.
Yep.
Look at that! Got handed some Scientology things, all right.
I thought he was like working at the hotel or something.
Yeah, I know, I thought he was like, oh, is this a free coffee? Nope. All right, we found a little barcade. We're gonna play some games. Do some classics here. Oh, you pooped your pants. Oh man. Emily just found one of my favorite games when I was a kid. If any of you guys remember this game, let me know. Paperboy. This is such a fun game. Oh my god. I can't believe they have it. I've never seen it in arcades.